A vehicle producer located in South America is saving more than 1 million euros yearly after having Atlas Copco's solution in place. My name is Livia Petreschi. I am part of Atlas Copco's team in Germany, and today I have also Moacir Araújo with me. Hello, Moacir.
Interesting is when I visited the vehicles producer's facility in 2015. The engineers explained us their main challenges as following. They needed high investments for expansion or upgrade of existing PLC solution. They could not achieve the production targets, nor assure the correct production sequence. They frequently had wrong parts assembled products. But together as a team, we investigated the real problem and more, the root causes. At the station level, we developed the human-machine interface, many different tools from our portfolio for different applications. We also delivered the station software, including main features like part verification, documentation, operator identification, and pick by light. The full project includes 61 stations, fully equipped with Atlas Copco software and Atlas Copco hardware.
More than 1 million euros yearly savings come from the not-okay tightening rate was 6% and now is lower than 3.5%. That means 252,000 euros savings. Product repairs reduced by 90%, therefore savings of 471,000 euros. The production training decreased 85% from 15 to 2 days only, additional savings of 65,000 euros. With the productivity increase, they reduced the wasted time cost by 69,000 euros. Now, the products don't leave the facilities with failures anymore. They realized a zero defect strategy with savings of 250,000 euros. And there is no audit fee anymore, what saves 48,000 euros. In total, 1.1 million euro savings. In Atlas Copco, we do our best to understand manufacturing and automotive challenges worldwide. It was a pleasure being here with you. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye!